Hi besties, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming here. I really appreciate. If this is your first time to be here, you are so welcome. You want to consider subscribing and liking this video to the end. And to you my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And today basically I just want to show you my simple, easy and quick routine of how I wash my hair. So I haven't washed my hair for quite some time. It's been 1 month and 2 weeks, and basically my hair has refused to do anything. Like I tried to style my hair and apply anything to my hair, and it refused to cooperate. Like I wanted to take it to 2 months and it refused, so I had to wash my hair. Like nowadays I've been feeling so lazy with my hair, so basically I am gonna be using this product from Sleek. I am going to use the leave-in conditioner, shampoo and the conditioner, and I'm going to use the country coconut curling cream just to apply to my hair. I have missed curling my hair.
The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby.
So right here I'm just applying the conditioner to my hair after shampooing my hair, and as you can see the conditioner is so light, and for the time I've been using this conditioner it has been giving me good results, and I really love this conditioner, and I'm so sure once the one that I have right now, if it is over, I am going to get another conditioner from this brand. It is a nice conditioner, especially if you just want something so simple and so easy and so quick to work with. This is the conditioner to go for. And also, as you can see, I have sectioned my hair in sections. So this is a practice that I really like to do with my hair, especially if your hair is thick like mine. You want to make sure that when you are working, styling or washing your hair, you want to work in smaller sections. And also combing your hair from the tip to the root. Never comb your hair from the root to the tip, especially if your hair is at a certain length like mine. You want to make sure that you are so careful, especially if you want to retain length. You want to be very careful and very keen with anything that you do to your hair. So I'm just admiring my hair right here because my hair has really grown so much, and I'm so happy because if I can see the results of my hard work, I'm so happy, and that is the goal for everyone. And as you can see, I am done conditioning my hair and it is getting late, so I have to hurry up and style my hair. And for those who doesn't have a ring light like me, they can understand, especially if you rely on natural light the way I do. So I said I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner, but I am not going to use it. I changed my mind simply because I have not used my mega growth for a long time, and I just feel like I want to use that. And that is the oil that I made for my hair. It is clove oil, and this oil is so nice to my hair. So I decided to do bigger twists like this, but most of the time I like doing smaller ones because smaller ones, they always gives me the perfect definition that I always want. But I'm hoping that even with this bigger one, they're going to give me the same results. And I'm using the LCO method. I apply the leave-in conditioner, coconut curling cream, and then the oil on top. So I'm really doing it so quickly because it's getting dark. If you don't have a ring light like me, you will really understand, especially if you depend on natural light to film your videos. So basically that's how I am going to do the rest of the section that is remaining, and then I will allow my hair to get dry, and then I will unravel the twist later after like 1 day or 2 days. And I'm really hoping I will get the best results. So thank you so much for watching my video to this and I really appreciate. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and watch this video to the end. We are almost to the end. And also share
Memory lane.
and leave me a comment in the comment section below. I really appreciate for your support, and I want to leave you with this music beats, and I'll see you in my next one. Enjoy. Bye bye.